There is a phrase that gets thrown around in the technology world all the time, and it is this: build for purpose. It sounds simple, even obvious. But if you have ever tried to commission a piece of custom software and found yourself buried under a mountain of jargon, scope creep, hidden fees, and features you never asked for, you know that purpose-built software is far rarer than anyone would like to admit. Most of the time, businesses get something close to what they need, a patchwork of compromises, rather than the clean, efficient tool they actually imagined. And that gap between the software businesses need and the software they actually get is exactly where today's company has planted its flag. Welcome to the Next Biz Thing. I am Markus J. Diplama, and every episode I bring you a closer look at the businesses, the founders, and the ideas that are shaping the way we work, build, and grow. Today, we are heading to Brisbane, Australia to meet a company with a name that sounds like a riddle and a mission that is anything but small. Itsy Bytesy. Say it a few times and you will smile. But behind that playful name is a Brisbane-based software development agency with a serious commitment to something the industry desperately needs more of: clarity. Their tagline says it best, and I love it: digital engineering without the noise. That is not a marketing line. That is a philosophy, a promise, and frankly, a much-needed correction to how software development has been sold for far too long. So what does Itsy Bytesy actually do? At its core, the company is a broad-stack software development agency. That means they build web applications, native mobile apps, automation solutions, and custom integrations for businesses that want digital tools that work exactly the way they are supposed to. They are based in Brisbane, they are Australian-owned, and they describe themselves as boring by design, which is one of the most refreshing things I have read on a company website in a long time. They are not trying to wow you with flashy visuals or buzzword-heavy service listings. They are focused entirely on building functional, efficient, and purpose-driven tools that solve real problems. Let me walk you through what they offer, because the depth here is impressive. On the web application side, they build intuitive, user-friendly tools that businesses can access from any device. No downloads, no complicated setup, just software that works. On the native app side, they go deeper, building mobile applications that give users offline access, enhanced performance, and genuine integration with device features. And then there is automation, which is where things get genuinely exciting. Itsy Bytesy builds custom automation solutions that reduce manual work and increase efficiency. Everything from simple text-based processing right through to automating the generation of complex engineering sales drawings. That last example alone speaks to the level of sophistication they bring to their work. There is also their AI integration and consultation service. And I want to spend a moment here because this is one of the most honest descriptions of AI services I have come across. They describe AI as the biggest buzzword in business right now, but they acknowledge that the potential is massive, while the confusion is equally massive. Rather than just selling AI as a magic solution, Itsy Bytesy positions itself as a guide, helping businesses understand how artificial intelligence can actually be integrated into their existing systems to enhance functionality and improve user experience. That kind of honest, grounded approach to AI is rare, and it signals a company that values long-term client relationships over short-term hype. And the services do not stop there. They also handle database design and management, helping businesses build robust, interconnected schemas that actually let them extract meaningful insight from their data. And they offer data analytics and visualization, turning mountains of raw data into real-time, actionable intelligence. If you are sitting on a pile of data with no way to make sense of it, that last one should have your attention. Now here is something I want to highlight. because it really sets Itsy Bytesy apart from the way most software agencies operate. Their development methodology is built around what they call features. Rather than tackling a project as one enormous, hard-to-define deliverable, Itsy Bytesy breaks everything down into individual feature pieces, like building blocks. Each feature comes with a clear definition, acceptance criteria, and built-in unit tests to assess it in isolation. The result is software that is robust from the ground up, not just in theory, but provably so. And because features are defined and scoped up front, there is something remarkable that follows from that: pricing transparency. With Itsy Bytesy, you know exactly what you are paying for before development begins. No labor cost blowouts, no hidden fees, no nasty surprises when the invoice arrives. In an industry where budget overruns are almost considered normal, that commitment to transparency is genuinely refreshing. There is also the matter of real-time visibility. At Itsy Bytesy, clients are not kept waiting for a big reveal at the end of a project. Depending on what is being built, clients receive constant updates and have real-time access to the latest builds, either on the web or directly on their devices. You are not just a customer waiting for delivery. You are a collaborator watching your vision take shape. Their process flows through 4 clear stages. Discovery, where the team jumps on a call to understand not just what you want, but why you want it. Planning, where the finish line and the success criteria are defined in quantifiable terms. Development, where the building happens with full transparency. And launch and maintain, where they deploy, host, and then stand behind their work with a guaranteed support period after launch. It is worth looking at their recent project work to understand the kind of clients they serve and the caliber of solutions they deliver. For a company called Aussie Lifts, they built a 3D interactive sales configurator, allowing customers to visualize and customize elevator finishes in real time. That is not a small undertaking. For the same client group, they replaced a legacy configure price quote system with a modern web portal enabling in-house sales consultants and distributors to accurately configure and price lifts, generate supply proposals, and track previous orders. And for another client, they built a custom integration that syncs 0 invoices with ClickUp tasks, automating financial tracking so that paid invoices automatically trigger the next stage of a project. Each of those examples tells a story. Itsy Bytesy is not just writing code. They are solving real operational problems. Their pricing structure is designed to fit businesses at different stages. The Snippets tier starts from just $499 and is perfect for small projects or one-off features with a 5 to 7 day delivery window and a 6-month support guarantee. The Basic tier, at $1,800 per month, locks in availability for at least 4 features per month with a 5-day turnaround and a full year of guaranteed support. And for businesses that want a truly integrated development partner, the Enterprise tier offers 72-hour turnarounds, up to 20 hours of work per week, priority support, and a 2-year support guarantee, all for $9,000 per month. There is even an in-house option for businesses that want a development presence that functions like part of the team. What strikes me most about Itsy Bytesy is the directness of everything they do. The name is fun, but the work is serious. The language on their website is plain and honest, not designed to impress you with technical jargon, but to make sure you actually understand what you are getting. They are not a design agency. They are not a strategy consultancy. They are engineers who build things that work, and they want you to know exactly what that means before you sign anything. In a technology landscape that is noisier than ever, where every agency promises transformation and every pitch deck leads with buzzwords, Itsy Bytesy has made a deliberate choice to cut through all of that, Digital engineering without the noise. 4 words that say everything. I think there is something important in what this company represents for Australian businesses in particular. The digital transformation conversation has been going on for a decade, and a lot of businesses still feel like they are being sold something they do not fully understand. Itsy Bytesy changes that dynamic. They start with discovery, they build with transparency, and they finish with a guarantee. That is not just good business practice. That is respect for the client. If you are a business owner who has been thinking about building a custom digital tool, automating a process that is eating up your team's time, or finally getting control of your data, I would strongly encourage you to take a look at what Itsy Bytesy is building. You can find them at itsybytesy.com. That is ITSYBYTESY.com. Head over, explore their services, browse their recent projects, and reach out to Tom and the team. They are based in Brisbane. They are focused on building things that actually work, and they are very much open for business. I am Markus J. Diplama, and this has been the Next Biz Thing. Until next time, keep your eyes open, keep asking questions, and never stop looking for the next biz thing.